All right, now we're going to look at ISO shape 12. I'm already in my ISOs folder, so I'm going to create a document. I'll call this one ISO 12. Now there's different ways we can do this, but I'm going to use the mirror tool on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make half of it and then mirror it. Not sure if it saves us a whole lot on this one, but I do want you to see how to use the mirror tool. So if I'm looking at the front here, this is 2 inches high. Then it comes over 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. Then goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. Okay, so it goes up 2 over 4 and then up 5. Okay. I'll click on the front. I'll click sketch. Just going to hide those. I'm going to click front view. Use my line tool. Left click again. Type in 2. Now in this part, I'm going to come over 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm just going to come over 2 inches there. So you got the 4 plus another 2 is going to be 6 inches. I'll type in 6. Then I'm going to go up 7. And I'm coming over 2 because again I'm going half the distance of that top. Then I'm going to come down 5. And then come back over and connect on this corner. Okay, so I've done this L shape right here, which is half of the shape. I'm going to click on the isometric view. I want to extrude this 4 inches. All right, now I'm going to round off the top and round off this side over here. All right, this is 4 inches in diameter, which means this has a radius of 2. So I'm going to click on the fillet. Make that 2. Click on this corner and this corner. And this also has a diameter of 4, which means it's radius of 2, so I can use the same fillet up here. Now I'm going to cut my 2 holes, and both of these have a diameter of 2 inches. So I just cut the top one first. So sketch, I'm going to click on the front right here. Actually, that's the right side. I'm going to do a circle with the center hole. I want to move around, find the center, drag out, and that's got a diameter of 2. I want to extrude that. Now with the isometric view, again, I want it to remove all the way through, and so I click. So I've got my hole all the way through there. So now I'm going to cut a hole through here. Click sketch. Again, I'm going to use the center circle. Look for the center right there. It's got a diameter of 2 inches. Extrude. I I want it to remove. And it's got to go at least 2 inches to get all the way through. So I'll just drag this down here. Click OK. All right, so I have half the shape. Now I can come up here where it says mirror. You've got the two sides that are mirror each other. Now I want to rotate this around just a little bit so I can see the back side because I want to mirror across this plane. So I'm going to click on mirror. I want to mirror the plane. Drag this over here. Click on isometric. Okay, so let's look at the mirror one more time because I don't think I explained that very well because I kind of got lost in my clicks there for a second. So we come back around over here so we can see this side. I'm going to click on mirror. I'm going to click on the shape because that's what it's asking for. It's asking for the entity to mirror. We want it to mirror across the plane, so we're going to click on that. That highlights blue. I'm going to click on the plane. Click OK. And that's shape number 12.